ankles, soles, heels, and toes. When people have foot-related problems, they seek out expert advice. When foot experts need the best in orthotic solutions, they seek out Leolab. Our company has decades of collective experience in custom orthotics manufacture and both client and patient care. Many ask, what is the Leolab difference? The difference is that we have been able to amalgamate high touch with high tech. Our unparalleled customer service, combined with our unmatched in-house production methodology, makes us the perfect partner for busy practitioners. At Leolab, we instill in our people a value-add philosophy. Through in-house team collaboration, we are always looking for ways to do more for our customers. Leolab offers both traditional and 3D printed orthotics in a cutting-edge custom manufacturing facility. We have a depth of knowledge and employee skill set that enables us to create the highest quality traditional orthotics. And through our early adoption of state-of-the-art 3D printing technology, we can now bring product innovation to market that has never been seen before. With us, you get the best of both worlds. Our company's early investment in advanced 3D printing technology propelled Leolab into a leadership role in the custom orthotic manufacturing industry. Our product development and testing collaboration with York University delivers evidence-based innovation that truly benefits patients. People make a difference. Our passion to serve, in-depth training, and team approach to design and fabrication are all an integral part of the superior Leolab product. By working with Leolab, you'll have a motivated, behind-the-scenes partner helping your office or clinic deliver first-class results. Our workshops, videos, and newsletters are additional ways we help our partners grow. Working together, your team and ours, we can provide orthotics that give your patients the freedom they deserve. People, passion, craftsmanship, and technology. That's the Leolab way.